The final structural principle of the Constitution is federalism. Whereas separation of powers decentralizes the authority of government horizontally in this fashion, and bicameralism further subdivides the legislative power of government in this fashion, federalism decentralizes the authority of government by dividing it into levels, or vertically, in this fashion. Federalism refers to a system of government in which constitutional powers are divided between two levels of government, central and regional. Virtually all modern political systems have some division of authority between a central government and regional authorities. The real question is, what is the relationship between the central government and the regional authorities? There are three basic types of government. A unitary system is one in which the central government retains autonomous authority but may delegate some administrative responsibilities to regional subunits. Great Britain and Japan are examples of unitary systems. At the other end of the spectrum is a confederacy. In a confederal system, the regional governments, or states, retain the autonomous authority and may delegate some decision-making authority up to the central government. The United States, in the period from 1776 to 1789, when the Constitution went into effect, was a confederacy under the Articles of Confederation. The states retained autonomous authority, and Congress, as the organ of the central government, had some limited authority, but only the authority that was given to it by the state. Today, the United Nations is an example of a confederacy. The member nations retain autonomous authority, and the central organs of the United Nations, the General Assembly and the Security Council, exercise only the authority that is delegated to them by the member nations. In a federal system, the powers of both the central government and the regional governments are derived from the people, or, in the case of the United States, from a written constitution. The United States is one of many federal systems in the world today. Canada, Germany, Mexico, and India are just a few examples of other countries that have federal systems.